Julie, Demetrius Schumpert is charged with first-degree murder, accused of dressing up and posing as a UPS delivery driver to get into the victims' homes. But his attorney says he's innocent and has an alibi. In opening statements at Demetrius Schumpert's murder trial, prosecutors told an Anoka County jury that he and two co-defendants approached this home in Coon Rapids dressed as UPS delivery workers wearing masks. Once the suspects were in the house, one of the victims, Shannon Youngworth, was able to secretly call 911 and leave the line open. When the audio was played in court, a man in the background could be heard yelling, "Where's the money?" Investigators believe Schumpert, his brother Omari Schumpert, and Alonzo Mingo went there to steal drug money, pistol whipped Shannon, her husband Mario Trejo, and her son Jorge Reyes Youngworth, then shot all of them execution style right in front of Shannon's two young kids. Separately, drug investigators had been watching the victims, suspecting Mario was dealing drugs. According to a search warrant, he and Shannon had sent large amounts of money to Mexico. Prosecutors appear to be minimizing that information while presenting the case against Schumpert. The jury today watched body camera video from the police officers who thought they were responding to a domestic abuse situation based on the 911 call, only to find the house quiet, but for the crying of young children inside. The video showed them finding one victim right by the door, then the heartbreaking image of rescuing the kids who ran to them in diapers. Schumpert's attorney told the jury his client is innocent, wrongly accused, and that he has an alibi with witnesses who will testify about his whereabouts when the shooting happened. Now, prosecutors say that the victims had 3 surveillance cameras inside their house, and on Wednesday, they'll show that to the jury, which they say captured these shootings. Now, Alonzo Mingo, one of Schumpert's co-defendants, has already been convicted in his trial and sentenced to life in prison. Back to you.
It's just such a cold-blooded, brutal crime, and that is horrific to think about those 2 young kids crying. That's going to be a hard one for the jury, Lou.
Absolutely. It was difficult to watch, and the jury doesn't realize yet that what they're going to see on Wednesday is that much worse.
All right, thanks so much, Lou.